pinasusuka. Oh, ito pa, papakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang nakakatawa, no? Binasa ko yung warrant. Diyos mio, this is an international institution. Ipapaalala ko lang sa inyo. International institution funded by so many states na sila na yung parang pinakabonggang institusyon sa buong mundo dahil international. Tingnan niyo itong paragraph 17. Okay? First sentence. When Mr. Duterte first became the mayor of Davao City in 1998, he established the Lambada Boys, which acted as a death squad composed of police officers and non-police hitmen with a mission to kill criminals. In the early 1990s, the Lambada Boys were renamed Davao Death Squad. Wait a minute. Wala bang pera ito na mag-proofread? Sabihin nyo nga sa akin, ganito ka kaslapi? International, ganito ka kaslapi? Sabi mo, binuo ang Lambada Boys ng 1998, nung unang naging mayor ng Davao City, si Duterte. Tapos, ang next sentence mo, early 90s, Lambada Boys were renamed Davao Death Squad. 1998, binuo yung Lambada Boys according to your warrant. Pero early 1990s, ni-rename na Davao Death Squad. Siguro naman, hindi naman tayo tanga ng 1998 ay hindi early 90s. Patapos na nga ang 90s ng 1998 eh. Ano? Kayo mga polis, mga sundalo, hindi ito gagawan?